Is the platform we are learning from the course GHL?
Short answer, no. Long answer, you can still learn the automation and still apply it to GHL. Magagamit mo pa rin naman yung learnings mo doon sa automation course. Dahil yung automation course natin, holistic yung approach niya. Whenever you start learning automation, you need to have these three concepts first. The first one is you need to learn what a funnel is. Importante yun. If hindi mo naintindihan kung ano yung funnel, never mo ma-automate yung isang business. Ma-automate mo siya but walang workflow. Pangalawa, you need to understand what an API and endpoint is. Yun talaga yung pinaka-importanting concept. And then pangatlo, you need to only use one marketing automation platform kaysa magtalon-talon ka. Pag na-master mo itong tatlo, kahit anong platform pa yan, kaya mo siyang aralin. And that's the reason why, like kung sinasabi, go high level, wala sa course. But even if wala siya sa course, yung learnings na makukuha mo doon will still be applicable kahit anong platform pa yan. Kasi ituturo ko sa inyo, not platform specific. Yung aim ko for that is for them to become a strategic partner ng business. Hindi lang someone that the business will pay and then wala na, tapos na yung project mo. Hindi. You need to be a strategic partner dahil yun lang yung way to get a long-term relationship so that long-term din yung magiging earnings mo dun sa business.